Are you a craftsman? Like working with your hands? Want to level up your knowledge and skills for working with Artisan concrete? Then join us for our 3-day hands-on Buddy Rhodes concrete mold making and casting seminar. Located at the Smooth On headquarters in Pennsylvania, our world-class training facility and concrete workshop has all the tools and technology to give you an unforgettable learning experience. Our expert instructors will teach you about types of concrete, mold making materials, mixes, techniques, finishes, and more to help you bring your creative concrete projects to life. With a 2-to-1 teacher-to-student ratio, you'll always have support during our hands-on projects, and you'll get answers to all of your questions. The seminar takes you through slideshows, videos, group discussions, and hands-on projects to make sure you get a solid understanding of the basics of concrete mold making and casting. On day 1, we start off teaching you all about concrete mold making materials and processes. Then we guide you through techniques for using these materials with a variety of exciting hands-on projects. You will mix and pour rubber, make your own molds of different models, make a concrete texture stamp, and learn how to get the most out of liquid rubber concrete mold making materials. After that, we'll get our hands dirty working with concrete as we walk you through using the Buddy Rhodes signature press technique to create individual and class team projects. At the end of day 1, join us for a fun after party in our themed out game room for some food, drinks, networking, and laughs. This is another great opportunity to bond with our team and get awesome advice and support for your projects. On day 2, we'll review how to set up your shop. We'll go over necessary equipment. We'll talk shop safety. We'll plan for the production of rubber molds, and so much more to help you be successful with your projects and even grow your concrete business. In the afternoon, you will learn how to make a glass fiber reinforced concrete mix, or GFRC mix, from scratch and get experience spraying concrete. You will then learn how to properly mix, modify, and cast our most advanced mix design, the Buddy Rhodes ECC blended mix. To finish the day, we'll start working, playing, and sculpting with the popular Buddy Rhodes vertical mix. And then you can use your texture stamps from earlier to achieve some really cool effects. On day 3 comes the big reveal. You will demold your concrete castings from your individual and group projects. We'll then go over sanding, honing, wet versus dry polishing, finishing techniques, glazes, and how to choose the sealer that is best for your project. To finish your castings, you will polish and then apply the Buddy Rhodes glazes. By the end of day 3, you will walk away from this seminar feeling educated, inspired, and excited for your next project. People from all around the world and from all professional backgrounds have graduated from the Smooth On Concrete seminar. Secure your spot now because these seminars consistently sell out. Visit smooth-on.com/seminars and sign up today.